I'm back out, we're up the Scottish borders, going up to Hungry Law, Greyhound Law. I'm going to stop at a little Bothy for hot chocolate. I'm out with Lee, somewhere behind us having a piss. So it's canny once fresh, -5 the day. The views are nice. They get better up there as well. But we're going to lash on because this hill is massive.
That's water.
Ah, he's going in there.
What are they?
I wouldn't like to do wild swimming in this and all that for sure.
I would if it was a snake.
Ah, you would. Bliss, man, isn't it? Silent. We're halfway up now. Killer climb that was.
I think I was a passer on chair, I think.
He's looking for wild camping spots, him. When I trek on further up, see if we can get a bit closer to this trig point. Sun's getting right out, but we're not in it. It's a bit hard, but it's fresh. I'm enjoying it. Look at this for a view. The sun's fairly opening up. Lovely day for it. Getting some height now. It's a bit misty so you can't see the views, but still going a bit high to the trig point. On we go. That's Eckno Crags in front of us. The view's unreal from up here. Climbing higher, we're going to go up that way where that old sort of ruin is. We're going to go up there past that to Hungry Law. Just reached this cairn at the top there. A couple of deer over that way, that's where we're heading anyway. Over there, top of Hungry Law. Then we're going to circular round that way and then back. Hungry Law, 501 metres. Look at the view behind that, Cheviot Hills. Stunning that. You've got Carter Bar over there. Cacklue Reservoir down there. Eckno Crags over there. We're going to carry on and go to Greyhound Law. What do you think of that for some views of the Cheviot Hills there? Right, we're off down to Greyhound Law. And then when I cut over to the Bothy, have a nice bit of a hot chocolate. It's a lovely day, like. Not even that cold. It was originally, but it's not now. It'd be pointless putting a fire when I know that. Just going down and have a cuppa. If you ever wonder where your balloons go that fly away, they're up here stuck to the fence, 500 metres high. Lee reckons that's Carter Bar because there's a cart.
Carter Bar?
There's a sheep behind you and also there's the other bit of the bar. Still can't get over that view, mind. We're heading down there and cutting in through the woods onto the track. I wish I brought the drone with us today. Stupid, aren't I? Thought it was going to be a bit windier than what it was, but it's not. And he devastated really. But I got some crackers. Like, how do you get sick of these views, man? Look at them. Just makes you want to be out all the time, man, doesn't it? I've just nearly lost my foot into that. I thought it was frozen. We're at Greyhound Law now anyway. Wait, behind us there. I'm not going in. It's rough as f. So we're going to carry on. We're going down that way, just past Lee. I'm going to cut down the valley. So we're going to go down there, cut down the valley down here to the Bothy. Oh, the views are mint from up here. Get a look at this. We're right on the Scottish border as well. That's like over into Scotland there. Carter Bar behind that hill over there. We came from up there, you can just see the trig point. So down there we go. Now we're getting a little bit lost, planting new trees, taking down the footpaths. Could be a long one this.
Hard toe with a knackered toe.
Aye, and a knackered ankle as well. So I found the post for the footpath there, and there's a path. Hey, yeah, a little bit of a one, but we'll have to get through it there. It's not as bad as what we thought, this path actually. It's pretty smooth. So hopefully it brings us out in the right places. Looks like a few things have changed with all the trees being planted and the forestry being in as well. Just coming down the valley now towards where the Bothy is. Hopefully there's no one in. Didn't like getting in when people are there. I think it's just a bit uncomfortable. Not that I'm staying there, but it just makes it a bit easier, doesn't it? We'll not be using it out. I'm just going to have a bit of scran, warm up a bit hot chocolate and that, and then we'll be away from there. Here's a Bothy here. There she is there. Doesn't look like anyone's in. Lovely little place, so we'll head down and get in. It's not a bad path this, actually, going up the Bothy. Nice little stream for water. Looks really clear as well. I think we're going to try and head back that way. I've never been on the path. It doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I'll have a look on a West map, see what it's like. And there she is. Lovely little Bothy, this one, like it's immaculate as well. Oh. Hello mate, how long you been here? Look how tidy it is, man. It's immaculate. Someone's even left a mat there. Generous. And some gloves. I'll show you around anyway. Someone's put some Christmas lights in here as well. Some gloves and that. Some lighters as well. Some wood. I mean, this is where their council left loads of scran as well. I'm sure someone will use that needs it. Aye, can he? Even left some batteries and all. Must be for the lights. It's a shame the chair hasn't got a base on it. Someone must have burnt that. But aye, someone's been looking after it. It's nice to see them getting looked after. Hot chocolate's on the brew there, spoiling the water. Well, he's having hot chocolate and tea, if he's greedy. Pack of digestives. Some little snacks. Lee's got some pasta in that little hot little cup thing. Good campsites are found, not made. Ah, he loves it. The view outside, man. Lush little place. Definitely have to do a Bothy stocking here sometime. I always love to read the stories in the Bothy books, but this one here has got me tickled like. It's from Rizzle Mears and Teddy Bear Grills. I mean, I don't know what people want to do in here, but this one here likes to get naked in the stream, naked amongst the trees, and naked in the Bothy. Had some fun on the counter, left some fairy lights. I mean, clearly been in here doing stuff like that, are you? Sean and Graham from Wild Camp Northumberland on YouTube. I'll have to give them a follow. They've had a canny one. Avalon 1, share your story. I'll have to have a look at them. I've seen them on a few fence posts. Left it as clean as what it should be. Left it just like it was actually. Immaculate. Looks like there's been a lot of people here, to be honest. Plenty of fires being tipped out. Couldn't make this up, just fell out there. Straight in her ditch. Right uppers, all down my horse. You just got to laugh, haven't you? Just walking back now, left the Bothy, going towards where I started. Quite a big circular. So about 12k I think in total. The cold's setting in now. A little bit of wind came up. It's not too bad. But I'm looking forward to getting back to the van, come my horse as well. We came from over there and the V of the valley down to a Bothy, and then we're coming over this way. See at the top of there, the woods. Winds did a bit of devastation. Not quite a few of them down. I suppose they're getting cut down anyway, like, but that's not the point. Now I'm heading this way, over that brow. I think it's fascinating how straight them trees can grow. And it's fascinating how the roots are so small now. Let's have a look. The roots are tiny, so small for a big tree. Look how straight they are. Well, that's back to where I started. There's a van. Right, that's me back to the van. I'm done now. Been a canny day. It was nice this morning. Didn't get that nice this afternoon. A bit windy. Hasn't been raining out, but happy days. See you later.